The hope is dimming for survivors in Wayanad. It's the fifth day now, remember, and the death toll sadly is mounting. According to the latest information, over 360 people have confirmed lost their life. This is clearly one of the deadliest landslides in the country. Thousands are affected, missing. Many of them are at relief camps also that have been set up. Look at the latest images from the landslide hit area. 1,000 rescuers along with heavy machinery equipment are on ground zero. There's Army, Navy, Air Force, NDRF, SDRF. There are local civilian volunteers as well. All of them ensuring that at least those who are trapped could be brought out from under the debris. But remember, there are huge boulders. There are trees, logs that are deposited in these residential areas. Mundaka and Churalmala are some of the worst hit in this region right now. Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan, meanwhile, echoed Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's demand to declare Wayanad landslide as a national disaster.
We're reporting from ground zero in Wayanad. Today is day 6 of the search operations, and according to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, the search operations have entered its last leg. And just to take you through how it's done, the entire search area in Wayanad, especially the landslide site, has been divided into 6 zones. And the rescue team personnel drawn from different agencies, be it the Indian Army, the NDRF, SDRF, the Fire Force personnel, all of them are deployed in these 6 zones to focus the search operations in and around that area. And one zone includes the Chalia River, which is in Malappuram district, because dead bodies continue to wash up downstream, and that is the reason why a separate team has been deployed there as well. And I'm just going to request my video journalist to pan and show you. What you see here are the visuals of a drone-based intelligent buried object detection system that has been brought from Delhi. The assembly of that is currently underway. This drone-based radar was brought from Delhi to the Wayanad landslide site based on the request from the Kerala government. This will help the rescue teams in detecting dead bodies buried in the soil so that it can be retrieved. So that is the main purpose of this technology. It is essentially being developed for the military, but because the Kerala government had put forward a request, they've now brought it from Delhi to Wayanad to undertake a search operation of this landslide site area to see if there are buried bodies. If at all they find something, that it can be retrieved. Just yesterday they managed to find 4 dead bodies, but it's increasingly getting difficult for the rescue teams as well, and that is the reason why Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said that the rescue operations are entering its last stage. And now, of course, slowly the focus will shift to rehabilitation of the survivors, and that is going to be a very challenging task, an uphill task for the government, because they need to find land, they need to build homes for these survivors, they need to do a lot of things to get their lives back to normal, in providing them some rehabilitation package, financial compensation, also giving them mental counseling, because this is a tragedy of huge magnitude, and it's not going to be easy for them to recover from this trauma, from the grief that they're undergoing. So that is the reason why a lot of efforts need to be undertaken. But the Kerala government and the people of Kerala stay united, and they say they are with Wayanad, and they will extend the much needed helping hand to the survivors of the Wayanad landslide. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair from Ground Zero for India Today.